Hi, it's Tuesday, July 28th, and I just thought I would take you around on a little quick garden update tour of what's been happening in the garden in the last week, 8 days or whatever. Here we go. Beatrice is, I think the last time I posted it was here. It's flowered down here now. Daylilies. Lovely stalks of daylilies. We have been having rain. Little raindrops on the Siberian iris leaves. Pretty. Now what's this? I'm gonna have to take a screenshot of that and figure out what that is. It's probably growing from next door. There's my coneflowers. I posted recently about the coneflower rosetta mites. Is that more there? Looks like it might be. I might have to clip that one off. These are the pretty, the double ones, the double coneflowers. These guys don't seem to have any of those mites on them that I can see. And look at this guy. She's starting to get her, she's a little wet right now, but she's starting to get her pink that she gets later in the summer. And the amethyst, I think I said it was amethyst joy. I think it's amethyst glow. Thinking I might cut those flowers off and bring them in the house, because we're supposed to get a ton of rain the next couple of days. And pretty orange coneflower. Shed garden's about the same. More nasturtiums and hollyhocks. Oh, did I show you this one? I think I posted a picture of it, the red one. Yes, it's got the rust on it because, well, I think part of the reason is that our next door neighbor decided that he needed to water his grass for, I believe I mentioned that before. Yes, tons of watering. And the cutting garden zinnias are beautiful. I've been checking them for Japanese beetles. I haven't seen any this morning. Should probably clip some back though, right? And then they will come back. My one sunflower, he's doing great. And the morning glories are doing their best to morning glory. Are they pretty? I think I need to plant more morning glories next year. Maybe plant morning glories out front around the clematis. The glads are getting to the end of it, but they're very pretty. Again, more glads next year. And the sweet peas are still doing great. Coleus do have some buds. Happy about that. This little guy is just done. Pick him off. Yes, lots of green foliage. Okay, there's the cottage garden. It's not doing too badly. It's kind of a little bleak right now. Nothing is really blooming. The portulacas are doing their very best to brighten up the corner. I did buy this blanket flower. I trimmed back all the spent buds and hopefully it'll bloom again. Looks like it will. There's the clematis that I want to plant Morning Glory for next year. And a dahlia is getting ready. I believe this is pink. This is Sincerity. I think it's kind of a light pink. Post. And, oh yes, the earwig traps have been working really well. I am going to, hold on. Of course, somebody pulled up right across the street while I was trying to do that, so I might finish it later. Side garden. I have been talking to my sister, and she suggested to go on Pinterest and look up some ideas. So I did, and I have been inspired. And here are a couple of, or 3 inspiration pictures. And there's the hollyhock. It's a single one, kind of a creamy color. And this was the exact same package that the ones in the back, the double ones are. So, yeah. So, we'll see what happens. See how my brain is going to take these inspiration pictures and do something with here. I'm really focused on doing something here later this summer. But yeah, so really there was nothing else to really comment on out there. Yeah, because it's nothing's happening right now because everything's pretty much done blooming. So yes, it's you can tell it's a little fuzzy today. It's a little fuzzy day today. All right, so back into the house and get a few things done in there. So I will see you later.